Hey, it's the Art Chick here, and another Temu package has arrived. It's weird how they keep arriving and arriving. But I opened it a little bit because I was looking for something. So I just wanted to show you what I got. And these are the last time, if you watched my video, I thought I was getting flowers, but I was getting stickers. And I actually got flowers this time for resin. And this is what I was happily looking for. It's a frog mold. And I have another one. I didn't get it on the Temu site. But this one's a little bit more rounder. I can't explain it. But coming up, I will use it and do a demonstration and wait a couple days and take it out and show you what it will look like. Of course, you must know that I'm a frog lover from my other videos. And I got these cute stickers. This isn't all art stuff here, but oh yeah. I ordered these and I thought I was getting bigger cups, so a little disappointed that I didn't look at the description. I can use it for my smaller times when I'm mixing epoxy, but it's pretty small. I need some larger ones. And I actually forgot what this is. But coming up, I will check it out and I surprise myself with what it is. Oh, yes. Now again, not an art thing, but a cool thing. I must have had frogs on the mind because, well, also when you go on Temu and you put something in your search, then all the other little things come out that are like it. And this little frog necklace, isn't that so cute? But alrighty, I'll get to this and my other molds and do a demonstration for you. So it dried day 2, and a little piece of the flower is right there, which is annoying, and it moved. But if you turn it over, you can at least make out a little bit of what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna do another layer, and I have a flower, and I hope it's gonna stay like right there, but we'll see. You can wait for the resin to like thicken up a bit and then stick it down there, but then I'm also worried a little bit about bubbles, just pushing it down. And so I'm gonna try it by pouring it on. So I do it over here, and then I move it over into its spot. And they're very delicate, to be a little careful. And I'm trying to make sure it's all the way flat in the hopes that it won't move. Just helping my future self out right now by just putting it in the little fingers. Web feet, exactly. Not fingers, but you know what I mean. So there, I got it on the side. But what I do is take another stick. Doesn't have any resin in it, and I just like this and try to make that as thin as possible, so it'll be easier to break off once you do it. And we'll wait for tomorrow.